The world of software engineering is completely changing, but should this adjust your learning trajectory? Hi, I'm Benny. I'm studying computer science and I'm currently learning how to develop for the Apple ecosystem. And this is the last part of my birthday present app series, where I reflect on the project. The one thing that stuck out to me the most was the mediocre code quality I got from Claude. Most of the time I spent fixing the bugs it created, even though the base it delivered seemed fine on the outside. And even though I'm saying I was fixing bugs, the only thing I did was note the behavior. If there were errors, copy paste the error log, and then I gave it back to Claude, who fixed the bugs. And most of the times this worked, which for me means that if I give the model more control and more tools so that it can check on itself, it can probably do a better job and is way faster than me, who is just clicking through the app, seeing where there are errors and then trying to fix that. So my conclusion was that I need to know more about the testing environments and code quality tools like linting. But this is taking me off my trajectory of focusing on learning the basics of Swift UI and other core concepts behind the frameworks that power the Apple developer ecosystem. Personally, I will go down the path of learning about the testing tools and how I can empower my coding agent to do more for me, mainly because it's fun. And I think that I have a solid basis of what it needs to develop an app. What it comes down to, in my opinion, is, are you spending your time on deepening your knowledge on the most fundamental building blocks that you need to create software? Or are you spending your time on trends, on fluff, on things that seem shiny on the outside, but don't have a lot to it? There's no definite answer for striking this balance. You need to be aware of it to decide on your own whether you want this new trend, these new technologies to intersect with your learning path, or if you want to stick to your current trajectory and then later on spend more time on these current topics. Because in the end, every step towards the same direction is a step forward.